Outdoor adventures demand clothing that is durable, breathable, and eco-friendly. Introducing Sedon all-terrain shirts, crafted from a unique blend of ultrafine merino wool, cooling tencel eucalyptus, and feather-light fabrics made from recycled water bottles. These shirts are designed for performance, comfort, and sustainability. The Daily Tee collection includes the Versatile Traveler, perfect for long journeys, and the TrailBlazer, ideal for high-performance activities with its moisture-wicking and fast-drying capabilities. Both shirts are naturally odor-resistant and wrinkle-free, and provide temperature regulation, keeping you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Plus, they feature eco-friendly manufacturing and packaging, making Sedon the ultimate choice for active and conscious adventurers. Starting a charcoal grill quickly and efficiently is a must for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Meet the GrillBlazer Grill Gun, a high-powered 400,000 BTU torch designed to light your charcoal in just 60 seconds. This powerful tool is the fastest way to get your grill going, up to 5 times faster than traditional methods like blowers or lighter fluid. Whether you're grilling, searing meat, or lighting campfires, the grill gun provides a real fire that gets the job done. It's easy to handle, portable, and perfect for any outdoor adventure. Staying power on the go, or during a power outage, is crucial for everyday convenience. Introducing the LiQWYD Portable Power Station, a compact, reliable energy source that features a 268 watt-hours LiFePO 4 battery backup. This power station provides AC outlets to keep essential devices running, and it can recharge from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. Perfect for outdoor adventures, or as a backup UPS during grid failures, it protects sensitive electronics like PCs and servers from power surges. With up to 200-watt solar input support, it can be paired with LiQWYD solar panels for an eco-friendly power solution. The EB3A is your ultimate portable power solution wherever you need it. Having a fresh, high-quality espresso, anytime, anywhere, is essential for coffee lovers on the go. Introducing the NowPresso espresso machine, a portable and easy-to-use solution for coffee enthusiasts. This innovative machine automatically pumps and pours your espresso into a detachable drinking cup with just the push of a button. It works with Nespresso capsules or your espresso grind, offering flexibility in brewing. Powered by a removable lithium battery, it can also boil water wherever you are, ensuring convenience and portability. The NowPresso features a vacuum-sealed capsule cap, a water cavity with an air vent lid, and comes with a travel bag for easy storage and transport. Perfect for any adventure. Enjoying grilled meats and veggies without the hassle of electricity is a game changer for BBQ lovers. Introducing the Green IMT Griller Oven, a portable, non-electric rotisserie oven that lets you cook mouth-watering BBQ anytime and anywhere. This innovative oven features a simple wind-up mechanism, allowing you to wind the knob clockwise for 15 seconds, and the skewers will rotate for up to 40 minutes. With a far infrared plate and minimal smoke emission, Griller ensures even cooking indoors or outdoors. It comfortably holds up to 2.2 pounds of food and includes a basket, skewers, and a drip tray for easy cleanup. It's perfect for anyone seeking portable, hassle-free grilling.